Participants are Daya, Jabi, Smith, and Yusuf. Can we have the rules for the round one, please? So round one is your connecting round where you get two photos on screen. You guess them right, you unlock your question. There is no buzzer. We've done the randomizer. One question per participant. I mean, one set of questions per participant. 5 points for guessing the right picture and 10 points for guessing the connecting question. You unlock your question only if you guess both the photos. All right, clear?
Okay.
Okay. So the first person to start will be Jabi. Jabi, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I don't need to press anything, right? I will just
No, just
say
relax.
it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and there will be a timer as well. So make sure you answer it. The correcting question is answered within time. All right.
All right. As
Okay,
long as
you're on mute, Jabi. You're on mute. जाबी ये हाथ नीचे कर दो अपना आधा हाथ जो है।
हाँ सॉरी वो कॉल आ गया बीच में फोन पे बहुत कॉल आ गई उसको चैन नहीं यार
चले ठीक है all right let's start guys let's have the first question for Jabi please first picture
okay
the time starts now
who's this guy
5 seconds remaining
Doomini I guess no.
Doomini is the incorrect answer the correct answer is Robin Peterson
okay
can we have the second photo please for Jabi please
Joe Root
Joe Root is the right answer you get 5 points in this round you don't unlock your question because you didn't get both the photos right okay so now we'll move on to the second player is Yusuf you ready
Yes.
okay can we have the first photo for Yusuf please Lance Klusner is the right answer. Well done. Second photo, please.
Alan Donald.
Alan Donald is the right answer. Well done. You've unlocked your question, and your question is with connection to the infamous run out in the 1999 ODI World Cup. It was a match which was the final.
It's
World Cup semi-final. Do you remember who got out?
I think it was Alan Donald, yeah.
Yes, Alan Donald got out. Well done. You got the right answer. You get 10 points for the photos and 10 points for the question. Well done. Okay. Next is Daya. Daya, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First photo for Daya, please. Five seconds remaining.
No idea.
Any guesses, participants?
No idea.
Dikwela. Noshan Dikwela. Sri Lankan player. Okay. And can we have the second photo, please?
Ravindra Jadeja.
That's right. Ravindra Jadeja is the right answer. You get 5 points in this round. You don't unlock your question. Okay. And the last player to go is Smith. Smith, you ready? Smith. Smith. Is Smith on mute?
He's not there only.
iPhone 11 करके था उसका नाम. Calling for Smith.
He left the chat.
भटक गया क्या?
I think he has connection issues.
Momo, one final call. We will move on if he is not replying.
Okay.
जावी भाई आपके हाथ से कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है आपका वीडियो.
Sorry यार.
People want to see you.
यार वो
मैडम
ऐसे मत कर पाओ भाई ऐसे मत कर पाओ
Smith is here. Smith is here. Smith is here.
Smith is here. Smith.
Sorry, man, my phone. I'm coming from my wife's phone now.
Oh, okay, fine. Everything fine?
Yeah, fine.
You're sweating a lot. क्या हुआ?
यार वो फोन बंद हो गया तो मैं बोला क्या हो गया यार.
पेपर वगैरह है किसी में?
So just running around for the phone.
Okay, chalo. You have the screen now. You can see the
Yeah.
SFICC online.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to start your round.
Yeah.
Your first photo on screen now. Guess the player.
Dinesh Karthik.
Dinesh Karthik is the right answer. Second photo, please.
Murli Vijay.
Murli Vijay is the right answer. Can we have the connecting question, please, or trivia rather? Wow. Okay, so Karthik has married Murli Vijay's wife. Murli has married Dinesh Karthik's wife, or Dinesh Karthik, Murli Vijay have married two sisters.
Karthik married Murli's wife.
Okay, that's the incorrect answer.
It's the other way around, I think.
Murli married DK's wife. DK इधर भी सो रहा था.
ये पहली बार सुना मैं. ये क्या सीन है यार? ये तो मुझे नहीं पता था.
चलो, round one.
अभी भाई आपको फोन सीधा करो उल्टा है.
Right, guys. Right now the points, individual points are Yusuf at 20, Smith at 10, Daya and Jabi at 5. Cumulative score 155 for Mufti. Ajman Tigers 120, Falcons 100, Pledges at 70.
Okay, so Ajman Tigers and Masti are the teams who are qualifying as of now. We still have 3 rounds to go. A lot can happen.
हाँ भाई, इंस्पोर्ट चालू होते ही आपको ठंडी मिलेगी.
Can we have the rules for round 2, please? Okay, so round 2 is your topic round. We've done the randomizer already. It's a topic-based round where you select one topic as per the topics shown on the screen. You get 10 marks for the right answer, no negative marking, and there's a timer of 10 seconds. All right. So, Yusuf, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, select your
Centuries.
round. Centuries. Okay. Can we have the question, please? Who holds the record for the longest gap between 2 test centuries? Time starts now.
Saurav Ganguly.
Saurav Ganguly is the incorrect answer. It's a tough guess. The player's name is Adam Parore from New Zealand. He was a all-rounder.
When was that?
When did he play? मुझे नहीं याद. But then he had a gap of 92 innings in 57 tests.
न्यूजीलैंड का प्लेयर है, विकेट कीपर था.
अच्छा.
हाँ, वो परोरे विकेट कीपर था ना. वो दूसरा एंड्रे एडम्स था. हाँ, परोरे विकेट कीपर था. Okay. Daya, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Topic.
World Cup.
World Cup. Okay. Question, please. Who holds the record for the fastest to 1,000 World Cup runs?
Fakhar Zaman.
Fakhar Zaman is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Sir Vivian Richards.
Wow.
Fakhar Zaman का कौन सा तुम्हें याद रह गया? उसने चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में कुछ कर लिया था भाई. वर्ल्ड कप में नहीं होता उनसे कुछ भी.
ये डिलीवरी का क्या मतलब है? थोड़ा समझ नहीं आया. डिलीवरी का क्या मतलब है?
उसके ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चन ऑफ डिलीवरी के ऊपर.
उबर ईट्स कर रहा है डिलीवरी, वही वाला सीन है इसमें.
देख लीजिए शायद वही. ओके, जाबी यू आर अप.
हाँ यार, मे बी गो विद अंपायर्स. लेट्स सी.
Okay. Which umpire retired after officiating in the 2012 World T20 final? The time starts now.
हाँ यार, मुझे याद है कुछ तो था. I think Simon Toffel.
Simon Toffel is the right answer. Well done.
Yeah.
Okay.
जाबी अपना फोन से ही घुमा लो. फोन आपका उल्टा है.
सॉरी. अब सही है?
नहीं उल्टा किया।
अब सही है।
भाई 180 घुमाओ, 360 नहीं. हाँ अब सही है. Okay. Last to go is Smith. Smith.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we have the topics for Smith, please?
Let's go with hat-trick.
Hat-trick. Okay. And the question is, who is the only bowler to take a hat-trick in the first over of a test match?
Irfan Pathan.
Irfan Pathan is the right answer. Well done. Man. Well done. That was very quick. Before the timer started, you answered. Well done. Okay. This brings us to the end of round 2. Momo, scores, please.
All right, guys. The scores as of now are, I'll just say the cumulative now. Masti at 155, Ajman at 120, Falcons at 110, Sledges at 80. So it's getting close.
I think Masti has pretty much like kind of put their 1 feet in the semis, but Ajman Tigers have still Falcons and Sledges up their ass.
Actually, even Sledges can qualify.
Yes. Even Sledges are pretty much in the game. Smith is going very strong. We need to check his pockets for sandpaper though. Okay.
Is today is the last group game or how it is?
Sir, आप relax करें sir. आप पकड़ जाके मैं आपको आराम से phone करूँगा, आप समझा दूँगा sir आपको. Yeah, today is the last group game. Yeah. Okay, let's go to round 3. Round 3 is the rapid fire round. You will have a buzzer, and your buzzer is your own name. Okay, so you'll have to say out your name. If you say, you'll get negative markings, even if it's right or wrong. So you have to call out your name. That's the buzzer, and then Momo will decide who will go first. There is 10 marks for the answer, -5 for wrong or no answer, and there will be a 10-second timer for each question. Got it?
Okay.
All right. Let's have the first question for the rapid fire, please. Which West Indian batsman broke Sir Galfie's record?
There.
Yusuf.
Momo?
I heard Smith first.
There.
Okay, it's Smith. Smith goes first. Smith.
Brian Lara.
Brian Lara is the right answer. Well done. Question number 2.
Yay.
Which batsman holds the record of playing the longest individual innings in terms of ball faced in T20 internationals? Okay, let's go to question number 3. The answer for this question was Aaron Finch. He played 76 balls for his 172 runs versus Zimbabwe. Okay, question number 3, please. Which Sri Lankan batsman and future Test captain started his career with of 0-0-0-1-0-0?
Smith.
Momo?
Smith, I only heard Smith first.
Oh, okay, only Smith. Smith, go for it.
Marwan Atapattu.
Marwan Atapattu is the right answer. Well done. Well done. Coming back very strongly. Excellent. Question number 4, please. The first ever pink ball test match was played between Australia.
Can I go?
Yeah, call your name.
Disturbance.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't.
Jabi, go for it. Jabi, go for it.
England, I think.
England is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is New Zealand.
Ah, shit.
Okay, question number 5, please.
मेला में एक मिनट.
In cricket, what does DLS stand for?
There.
We got there. Yeah, there.
Duckworth Lewis.
Full form.
I don't know this.
Duckworth Lewis system.
Incorrect answer. The correct answer is Duckworth Lewis turn. Okay, now just hold in for a minute, please. Kader, bol bhai.
Turn.
यार वो किसी का तो फोन बज रहा है वो घूम जू करके तो बजर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
It's not clear what's happening here.
अच्छा guys, अगर तुम लोग के phone पे तुम लोग आए हो तो please mute all vibrations because we can't hear your buzzer. तो आप लोग को ही fault होगा because we won't be able to hear your name only. ठीक है? So, okay, before we go on to the next question, quickly, Momo, can we have the scores, please?
Sure. The scores currently are Masti at 155, Ajman Tigers 115, Falcons 105, Sledges 100.
Okay, so the second position has become even more tight now, only 15 points apart from second, third, and fourth. Interesting. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, let's start with question number 6, please. On what criteria was England awarded the
Smith.
2019
Yeah.
World Cup?
Yeah.
One minute. Momo? Smith, go for it.
Number of boundaries.
Yes, number of boundaries is the right answer. Well done.
मोमो है मेरी आवाज सुन रही है आपको?
आ रही है, Dayal.
लेट आ रही है भाई.
Smith was faster than you. Okay, question number 7. What distinction does Graham Mackenzie of Australia hold in ODIs, having played only one ODI in his career? He bowled the first ball in ODIs, he faced the first ball in ODIs, hit the first boundary in ODIs, or bowled the first wide in ODIs?
Jabby, I try.
Okay, Jabi, go for it.
I think it's D.
D, bowled the first wide in ODIs is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is he bowled the first ball in ODIs.
Oh.
Okay, question number 8, please. Who is the only batsman to carry his bat through in T20 internationals? Time starts now. Carrying his bat means batting from one till the last wicket fell down. Okay, no answers here. Can we have the correct answer, please? It's Chris Gayle, and played the second semi-final of the ICC World T20 in 2009. Question number 9, please. Against which team did AB de Villiers score 149 of 44 balls?
Yusuf.
1 minute. Momo?
I heard
Yeah.
Yusuf.
I got there first, Momo.
I called.
1 minute. Relax. HS?
I heard Daya first.
Yeah, I heard there first as well. Okay, there, go for it.
West Indies.
West Indies is the right answer. Well done. Question number 10. Which Indian player played all the matches for India in the ODI World Cups of 1975, 79, and 83?
Smith.
Yes, Smith.
Sunil Gavaskar.
Sunil Gavaskar is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Mohinder Amarnath. This brings us to the end of round 3. Momo, can we have the scores, please?
The scores right now are Masti 155, Ajman Tigers 125, Sledges 105, and now Falcons at 4th position at 100.
Okay, so again, anyone's game. In fact, Falcons have a chance to come up at number 1 in this round. So this is the 4th round, guys. Very interesting. The scores are pretty tight. I think this is the most tight group that we've played so far with. Okay, so this is the identifying me round, which is also called the bulldozer round. You get 4 clues per player. If you get the correct answer in the first clue, you get 20 marks. Second clue is 15 points. Third clue is 10 points. And fourth clue is 5 points. For every wrong or no answer, you get -5. There is going to be a buzzer. But if the answer is incorrect, I will open it again for all the players. The buzzer has to be set again. Okay?
लाइट खोल बतू.
I say the answer is
नाम ही लेना है ना?
हाँ जी.
नाम ही लेना है ना बजर के लिए?
नाम लेना. आंसर नहीं देना. नाम लेना है. अगर किसी का आंसर इनकरेक्ट हुआ, मैं वापस पूछूंगा, तब जाके आपको आपके नाम देने. वो बजर स्टार्ट्स अगेन. Okay? Clear? Okay, can we have the first question? One second. PJ, wait.
My connection is...
कोई अटक रहा है.
Actually, there's a lot of disturbance from Yusuf Najmi's phone.
Acha.
Yusuf?
Yeah, he's moving from one
Yeah,
to another.
just 1 minute, 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Oh, धमाल मच रही है वहाँ पे तो.
Too many kids, man. Yeah, okay, I'm good.
Good. ठीक है चलो.
Yeah.
तो भाई आप एक बच्चे को बजर के लिए भी रख सकते हो वहाँ पे. Okay, chalo. Everyone can hear me well. Let's have the first clue for the first question, please. I am the fastest to reach 7,000 test runs.
Jabby.
Okay, Jabby, go for it.
Daya.
No, I got Jabby.
So I have to guess the right answer or I'll get a clue.
No, you guessed the right answer, bhai.
Alan Border, I guess.
Alan Border is the incorrect answer.
Daya.
There. Go for it.
Steve Smith.
Steve Smith is the right answer. Well done there. You get 20 points for this question. Very well done. Okay. Second question, please. Second question, clue number 1. I was born in Christchurch, but moved to England at the
Smith.
age of 12.
Yusuf.
Smith.
Jabby.
Yes, Smith.
Ben Stokes.
Ben Stokes is the right answer. Well done. 20-pointer once again. Okay. Before we move on to the last question, Momo, scores, please.
Mehlam,
Yeah,
can you hear me?
I can hear you in bits and pieces. Yeah.
Damn.
Okay.
All right, the scores right now are Masti at 155, Ajman Tigers 145, Sledges 125, Falcons 95. So there's a possibility of tie.
Okay. So if
If
the
Smith
only way if Smith comes in is if he goes for a 20-pointer, I guess. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. If we have a tie, we will have a tiebreaker question. It's ready with us. So QJ, I hope you got my signal. Okay. Let's have question number 3. First clue, please. I am the only player to be dismissed in the 190s thrice.
Smith.
I got
Uh,
Yusuf first. Momo?
Yes.
Yusuf, go for it.
Virendra Sehwag.
Virendra Sehwag is the incorrect answer. It's still open.
Daya.
There.
Bolu.
Bol, bhai.
Kumar Sangakkara.
Kumar Sangakkara is the incorrect answer.
Smith.
Smith, go for it.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar is the incorrect answer. Still open. Okay. Clue number 2, please. I scored a world record of 1,788 test runs in a year in 2006. Next clue, please.
Daya.
Wait. Don't get the next clue. Wait. QG, wait. There, go for it.
Bolu.
Bol, bhai.
Mohammad Yusuf.
Mohammad Yusuf is the right answer. Well done. You get 10 points in total, 15 for the right and -5 for the wrong answer. Momo, final scores, please.
Final scores. The table has changed. The Ajman Tigers is now on top at 155. Masti at 150. Sledges 120. Falcons at 95.
Okay. And what was the table when we started the game? Who was on top?
Originally, it was Masti, Ajman Tigers, Falcons, Sledges.
Okay. So basically, Sledgers gave them a money for their fight. It was a very good comeback by Sledgers, though.
Well